my scooter. So let's try. So hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is we're going to put my new accessories. As you can see, this is the red backlight. So I will put this kind of my accessories from here at the back because as you can see, when I change my wheels 700 watts, I cannot put my monorim accessories and then the red backlight because it's too much big, so no more space for the bolts. So that's why I need to change this kind of red backlight, and then this kind of red backlight is connected to my brake lever. So let's go and let's put this kind of my new accessories to my scooter. This is very simple and very easy to install because this is only plug and play because there have a relay here from my battery. So let's go and let's put inside. So alright guys, so this is my new accessories, red backlight, and I will put this here. It is exactly from the monorim, as you can see. And then this is the wire of this kind of red backlight, and then we were connected this here from here. As you can see, there have a relay from the battery inside here. So let's go and let's fix it this kind of red backlight. So first we need to drink Red Horse. So Red Horse, Bacana Man. So let's go guys and we'll fix this kind of red backlight. So first guys, so we need to take out this kind of Allen. extension. Alright guys, so we are already finished now. As you can see, I already connected now to the extension from the battery and the brake lever. So as you can see, they have a red light now. So see, so let's close the lights, and then when I brake, this is it guys. So it's too much red light at the back, so maybe we can see the back of my scooter. So let's try. When it's brake. So this is it guys. So thank you for watching of this kind of video. So please, if you like this kind of video, so please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is it guys. So very like. So this is it guys. Thank you guys for watching this kind of video. So see you on my next vlog.